Hello, I'm glad you are here and welcome to the GT Auto channel. Please subscribe to get more. Thanks.
Introducing the 2025 next-generation Buick Enclave, exquisite design, advanced technology, and unmatched performance. Today marks the debut of the 2025 Buick Enclave, representing the pinnacle of Buick's SUV lineup. This next-generation Enclave exemplifies Buick's commitment to exceptional design, luxurious features, and cutting-edge technology, setting a new standard in the premium SUV segment. Design elegance. The 2025 Enclave embodies Buick's new design ethos, which draws inspiration from the Wildcat EV concept. With sleek lines, refined curves, and attention to detail, the Enclave exudes sophistication and modernity. Upgrades to the grille, front, and rear fascia reflect Buick's pure philosophy, emphasizing purity in design, refined finishes, and exceptional execution. Interior luxury. Step inside the Enclave, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and inviting cabin. The floating center console not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also enhances functionality, housing convenient storage compartments, a multi-controller, wireless phone charger, and cup holders. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout the interior, creating an ambiance of refined luxury. Technological innovation. At the heart of the 2025 Enclave is a host of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing the driving experience. The centerpiece is the ultra-wide 30-inch diagonal screen, the largest in its class, which serves as the command center for entertainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. The integration of Google Assistant and wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures seamless connectivity on the go. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the Enclave boasts a powerful 2.5L turbo engine, delivering an impressive 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a standard 8-speed automatic transmission, this powertrain provides a smooth and responsive driving experience. Whether navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Enclave's front-wheel and all-wheel drive variants offer confident performance and versatility. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Enclave, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of standard and available safety features. New for 2025 are advanced driver assistance technologies such as blind zone steering assist, intersection automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition, providing added peace of mind on every journey. Trim levels and customization. The Enclave is available in 3 distinct trims: Preferred, Sport Touring, and Avenir, each catering to different preferences and lifestyles. From the customizable ambient lighting to the premium Bose audio systems, every trim level offers a curated blend of luxury and performance. Optional packages further enhance the Enclave's capabilities, allowing drivers to tailor their SUV to suit their individual needs. Production and availability. Production of the 2025 Enclave will take place at the Lansing Delta Township Assembly in Michigan, utilizing globally sourced parts. With its combination of design elegance, technological innovation, and unmatched performance, the Enclave is poised to redefine the luxury SUV segment, offering drivers a truly exceptional driving experience.